Hey, Kellie.
Hey guys, I am here with I don't know if I'm going to film everything. You know what? We will do a big Louis Vuitton unboxing. So, my first item is in this box right here. I ordered this from Fashion File. I love Fashion File. They are the bee's knees. And what I like about Fashion File, they really take their packaging serious to give you that whole experience like you're buying a new bag. And that's kind of their thing, where they say pre-owned is the new black or something like that. So I have my little thank you card here, and this is the true unboxing. So I have my receipt here. Did you fix it? Thank you. I have, oh, this was just say Fashion File certified, my receipt, cash for your bag, and the whole bid. And here it is. Used is the new. Oh, I'm forgetting something. I gotta go get something. Okay, so here it is. And here she is. I bought the Alma B.B. Damier Bean. And this was in excellent used condition. And so this bag retails with the tax in my state for $13.03. And I purchased this from Fashion File for $10.80. So I think I saved like $200. So I saved $223. And typically I don't usually do that. I will just buy the item just buy it new, because I'm like, what's $200? If I buy it new, I can return it, which you can return with Fashion File. But y'all can return it, and then it's like, I just might just buy the thing new that saves $200. But the reason why I did that is because I wanted to get a bag charm to go with this. Now, I know what you're thinking. Louis Vuitton bag charms are like $500. I'm not paying $500 for no daggone bag charm. So I found a bag charm for, I think exactly like $220. I will be back. I have to go. Okay, so what made me really want to get this bag was two people. I think one of them was named Chase Amy, and the other was Brittany from Pockets and Bows TV. So here is my charm. I will insert a picture. I forgot what the name of the charm is, but I know it's like $500, which is crazy. I'm not gonna say it's crazy. It is what it is. I just think that's bag money, so that's like a lot. But I won the eBay bid. So to me, I was like, okay, you get what you're saving with buying pre-owned is getting your charm. And like one of the main reasons I got this bag was to put the charm on it. So here it is. I love it so much. I think it's super duper cute. I actually did buy it new from Saks, but when I saw it on Fashion File, I immediately returned the bag to Saks to get my money back. And I bought it from Fashion File, and I have my little cute charm, and I absolutely love it. So that's that. So, Marguerite did a video of like best handbags for the summer or spring, and whatever she says, she recommends, I have to listen to her, because whatever she recommends, I go get. So I bought this from the same place where she bought hers from, which is the eBay seller. I mean, not an eBay seller, a Facebook Louis Vuitton group. And the seller, bless her heart, so she gave me a note. Let me read my note on camera. She gave me a thank you note. This is so cute. I'm gonna thank her. So So she gave me my invoice. And I always do this type of stuff too when I sell, which I have a horror story. I gotta tell you what happened with the friggin' post office. And I'll tell y'all too. Okay, so automatically I see she gave me a bag charm that goes with it. She gave me a free bag charm. She wrapped it up so friggin' cute. She included her business card. Her name is Jackie and she is in Napa, California. And she gave me this cute little bag charm. It's like lottery charm. So cute. And here is my item. So this is it. It is the Never Full Pochette. So it comes in with the Never Full bag, and it has the fuchsia interior. I want to say they call it Pavone, but it's really great condition. She gave it to me for a really good price. And let's put the charm on it so we can see. How cute is that? And I had one once before when I had a Never Full, but I had sold that Never Full, and I sold the Pochette along with it. So this is great. I like it. Okay, so I ordered this new from Neiman Marcus. Dang, the ribbon came off. So, oh, this is my receipt, I think. No, this is not my receipt. What is this? This is not, this is a blank piece of paper. Oh, this was if it was a gift. They thought it was a gift. Okay, I'm like, what? And okay, my receipts. Here it is. So here it is, guys. It is the mini Pochette. And you guys, this thing is so friggin' difficult to get as far as it's never in stock on the website. And which doesn't scare me off. I always call the 1-800 number. I had called the 1-800 number before, and I had asked them, could they put me, like, how could I get it? And they said they could pre-order it for me where they would charge my card, and then when it comes in stock, ship it to me, or I could get on the wait list. So I chose to get on the wait list. Then I thought about it and I was like, nah, I think I really can get it. I just didn't trust what the woman said. So I called again and I asked them, I said, this is the SKU number, which always call that 1-800 number, guys. Just because it says out of stock, it says call for availability, call for availability. So I called a number and I said, do you have this item in stock, or could I purchase it from a Neiman Marcus or a Saks Fifth Avenue, because I have a Saks account and I have a Neiman's account. So they connected me to the Neiman Marcus in New York. I don't know which one. And they had one in stock, and they shipped it to me, and that was how it worked out. And because it's so hard to get, people sell this thing for more than what it costs. It costs $310 USD, and people sell it for like almost $400. I'll never understand why anybody will pay more than retail for anything. It's never that serious to me. Yeah, but that's stupid. But see, okay, so my boyfriend is talking to me. He says supply and demand, which that is the reason, clearly. But to me, I can see if it's like they never gonna make it again, but they make them. Yeah, I mean, whatever. You'll never get me with that.